We're here in Camiguin Island right now, going to Mantigue. So we're preparing to go there, and this is a nice place. If you want a nice vacation, you can just try this. See you later. Welcome to Camiguin Island. So as you can see, this is a nice and calm place. Nice to relax. And it's a beautiful Friday morning. Thank God for this beautiful life.
Hello sir, ma'am. Good morning. Welcome to Mantigue Island Nature Park. Please come on.
So we're already here in Mantigue Island, part of Camiguin, and this is white sand.
Yeah. So maybe later, so I'll give you the meaning of Mantigue and Camiguin.
Wow, thank you, Kuya.
Oh, may mga coral sa.
Sugat? Wala naman siguro pako. Kahoy lang siguro. Wala mo yung pakong nagkalat.
Oh, sama kami dito.
Sige, sa'yo sinabi.
Hindi.
with my niece Hannah. Say hello, Hannah. Hi.
Kita tuyok ta.
Ano pala, matinis ka na. Oh, sige na, dali. Oh.
Fantastic.
Want to relax here in the Philippines, you can go to Camiguin first and then Mantigue Island. This is a happy place. Gusto mo mag-grabe pag ano, no? Ito na yung pinaka-highest. Kasi ang highest. Thank you, Jesus, for this day. So we're just resting here in Bahay Kubo. Is it Bahay Kubo?
Cottage.
In a cottage. Looks like Bahay Kubo. So, well, the rest of the family are swimming. Hannah and me are just resting here. Hi Hannah, how are you? So the rest of the family are there swimming. Yeah. Alright. Thank you, Jesus, for this rest.
Hello sir, ma'am. Good morning. Welcome to Mantigue Island.
Hindi ka ma'am, Koreano kasi may Koreano kang...
Ah, sorry. I know. Hindi ko maasahan, hindi ko maano. Okay. Welcome to Mantigue Island Nature Park. My name is Ikoy. I am a local tourist guide in this island. So I'll give you the meaning of Mantigue.
Wala kayong...
Mantigue, M, man. E, adventure. N, nature. E, tourism. I, island. G, gorgeous.
Wow.
U, unique. E, enjoy yourself. That is the meaning of Mantigue. Come again is, come again. Thank you for your amazing today. But, if you walk around in this island, please, watch your step, watch your head, and watch me nene. Kayo, enjoy. Ay, ma'am, thank you ha. Basta kayo,
Thank you, Koy.
mo enjoy kita sa island.
Okay po. Need a towel? need a towel?
No towel.
Where is it?
It's in the home. My daddy did it.
You didn't bring it? Why? So how's your swimming experience today?
How's your
Did you
swimming?
enjoy it?
Did you enjoy? What did you
enjoy
make?
it? Do you know how to swim?
You know how to swim?
No. Smile. Smile. Beautiful. Say hi. Hello. So how old are you?
4 years old.
Wow. And what's your name?
Kinjalan.
Kinjilin?
What's the last name?
Kinjilin? William?
Maria Pakwan.
And how do you feel today? Did you enjoy?
Yeah.
Really?
Hey.
You know how to swim?
No.
So what did you do?
I'm here. Sandcastle.
What?
Sandcastle.
I can't understand.
Kasama yung anak niya, hindi, ganun din yan.
So what are your other plans today? What will you do?
For me.
Oh, we'll go to other island, right?
Yeah.
Go to other
You're still
place.
going to swim there?
B is look so dirty. You
Wow.
have to go to the new one.
Really?
You have to find our beaches clean.
So you're going
Oh, no.
you're going to the hot spring?
You're going to the hot spring? Yeah.
Going to the hot spring?
Yes.
What will you do there? It's very hot.
Friends.
So you
And I just have to put the cold water. I can't because the big one and the normal.
Why are you crying? Huh?
No, I'm not taking fun of
Why
you.
are you crying?
No, I'm sorry. Sorry.
We go home.
Later. We will make
You want to go home? You want to go home now?
Katawan ko.
So what do you want to do? You want to sleep?
Later ta. We will wait for the boat. Nag-chat na. Wala pa ang boat.
Cute. Say bye-bye. Bye.
Bye.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Please subscribe. Ikaw mauna. We're living in this island. It was a nice, short experience. Thank God for this. Bye. Safe. Pwedeng iikot nyo kami, kuya?
Pwede tayo mag-ikot mo, bayaran mo pa additional.
Magkano?
100 tayo na.
O, sige.
Ikot tayo dyan!
Kasi hindi tayo nakaikot kanina eh.
Ikot!
Isang ikot lang.
Ecclesiastes 2 verses 21 to 26a. Some people work wisely with knowledge and skill, then must leave the fruit of their efforts to someone who hasn't worked for it. This too is meaningless, a great tragedy. So what do people get in this life for all their hard work and anxiety? Their days of labor are filled with pain and grief. Even at night, their minds cannot rest. It is all meaningless. So I decided there is nothing better to enjoy food and drink and to find satisfaction in work. Then I realized that these pleasures are from the hand of God. For who can eat or enjoy anything apart from Him? God gives wisdom, knowledge, and joy to those who please Him.